Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Tara and here on my channel I teach you guys how to make homemade skincare products. So since I'm always teaching you guys how to make homemade skincare products, I realized a lot of you guys sell your own products as well, which gave me the idea to do this series where I review your guys' products. So if you want to see all my past reviews I've already done, go check out the link down in my description box to the playlist of all the videos I've already done. So before we talk about the products she sent me, let's just do the unboxing so you guys can see the whole unboxing experience of the products she sent me. So I absolutely adore the way she packaged this. First off, it's wrapped in tissue paper with a little thank you sticker, so you just open that up and then you're greeted with this adorable thank you note. It was so sweet of her to include this. I love that it's typed out. It looks so neat and professional. And here we have the scrub surrounded by all kinds of crinkle paper. I just love this packaging. Alright, so let's look at the packaging of the product itself. So I love how minimal it looks. I love the text, and she has the ingredients listed, she has directions, she has a little warning, and I absolutely adore the little lemon right here. It just adds a pop of color, and I love the packaging, how it's a wide mouth jar. It's a lot easier to pull out your scrub. She mentions it's all natural. She has her website on there. I really love the way this is packaged. Super cute, super minimal. Alright, so let's open this up. So immediately I was really shocked by what this sugar scrub looked like. It was just a bunch of loose sugar. Like it's just, you know, kind of like a powder. You guys all know what sugar is like. It just didn't seem like a traditional sugar scrub, because normally sugar scrubs will be like really oily, or they'll be kind of like a emulsified scrub if you've ever used an emulsified scrub. So at first I was thinking, this isn't going to have too much moisture because it's just a bunch of sugar. So let's try this out. So obviously you want to wet your hands first because it just makes it easier to scrub in the scrub. And then you just grab a little bit of the scrub. You really don't need much at all. And I'm pretty sure most of you guys know how to use a sugar scrub, but you just massage it into your hands. And immediately I was shocked by how much moisture this scrub had. Because like I said, I didn't think it would have too much moisture because you can't see the oil in it. It just looks like a bunch of sugar. But my hands were so freaking soft after this. And I actually really like this compared to the really oily scrubs, because the really oily ones can be pretty messy. The oil goes everywhere. Maybe you'll get too much oil and it'll be slippery in your bathtub. This is actually like awesome. And I noticed after I used this scrub, I started seeing a lot of other scrubs with this same sort of texture, more of like, you know, a lot less oil and just more sugary. So this is great. This is an awesome sugar scrub. And it also has such a lovely scent. I'm always a fan of citrus scents, so you can't go wrong with lemon. I love this scrub. It's wonderful. Also, what's really cool about this product is it only includes 3 ingredients: sugar, a carrier oil, and essential oil. Packaging is so beautiful. It looks so perfect. I love how minimal it is. Love the all white and black she's got going on. And I just love the little lemon up in the corner, which I already said that, but I wanted to say it again because it's super cute. So I'll be sure to link Faith's website, which is handscrubsbyfaith.com, down in my description box. She also offers a lip scrub, a unicorn whipped body scrub, which sounds amazing, and another hand scrub as well. So go check out her website, and I think you guys will love her scrubs. They feel so good on my hands, and I can't wait to finally use this jar up because I've been like saving it in like the corner of my office, like trying not to touch it because I wanted to make sure I still had some left when I did this review. So now I can finally use it and enjoy it instead of just saving it in the corner. So now that we have reached the end of this video, it is time for my Patreon shoutouts. First up is Herbalist Tracy, who owns Essence of Nature over on Etsy. I did a review over her products in the past. I'll link that below along with a link to her Etsy shop. Next is Musical Mood Ring, who owns Stardust Bath & Body, and as of right now her website is not live, but you can go over to Instagram and follow her over there at Stardust Bath & Body. Next up is Nature's Farm Girl, who owns naturesfarmgirl.com. She sells all kinds of natural skincare products, so go check her out, naturesfarmgirl.com. Then we have Kennedy's Essentials, and they sell all kinds of different hair care products. I've done a review over their products in the past. I'll link that review below, along with a direct link to their website. This other shop I have also done a review over, and it's called Let's Blend. I'll link their shop down below, and I'll also put a link to the review I did over their products down below. Next is Reese Porter, who owns Creative with Love, and she sells all kinds of natural skincare products, so go check them out. Their website literally looks like Valentine's Day. And last but not least is Wonderful Body Co. I've done a review over their products in the past. I'll link that review down below. They sell all kinds of bath and foot soaks, and they're all book inspired, so check them out. Just kidding, that wasn't the last patron shout out. I've recently got some new patrons since I recorded this video. So this shout out goes to Trina's Jewelry Box over on Etsy. She's only 13 and makes such cute jewelry, so you better go check her out. Next up is Wallflower Wildflower, and she sells all kinds of different natural skincare products, so definitely go give her a click and check out her website. So if you would like a shout out at the end of each of my videos, go over to my Patreon. My Patreon will be linked down below and up here, and you can subscribe to my shout out tier, and you can get a shout out at the end of each of my videos. You'll also get early access to videos and access to my blog. So yeah, if you want any of that, check out my Patreon. Also, if you guys didn't know, I do sell my own homemade skincare products over on Etsy. I'll link my Etsy shop up here, and I'll link it down in the description box so it's easy for you guys to find. So I hope you all have a great week, and hope to see you guys next time. Bye!
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time like I'm frozen. I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen. Because I've had a vision, now I'm on a mission to find myself.